Hi, today is December 23rd, 2022. I have here two Cybor pumps, model 5116C, and I got POs for both of these. And for the first one here, which is the I have a ID number 18081, and the PO number for this one is 28010133586. And I have another pump right here labeled ID number 18081, and the PO for that one is 28010133503. Anyway, these two pumps have been completely refurbished, cleaned, and tested, and I have them set up here with IPA, and I'm going to do several dispenses to show that they're both working really well. Okay, I'm using IPA for this test. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this front pump here, the 18080. So here goes. I'm going to do about 4 dispenses, and so I'll do it automatically, so it'll dispense 4 times. I don't know if you can see, but it's dispensing right here off of this one. I only did one right now. I'm going to put a smaller beaker. Let's see. So we could see the dispense volume. Okay, so I'll use this one here for the test. Right there. So here goes. I'll do about 4 dispenses again. As you can see, it's dispensing really good. Suck back is good. There's no leaks after the dispense. There's no air in the line. Okay, so it did 4 dispenses, so it's over. So I'll do now the back one, which is the 18081, and that will be the next one here. So I have both nozzles. I'm gonna dump this, and I'm gonna do dispense 2. I have it connected to dispense 2, so here goes. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's dispensing really good. I'll do about 3 more. Now this one has a little bit more coming out because I have that programmed for a little more. Okay, so that shows that everything is working really good. No leaks, dispensing really well, suck back is good. Okay, and this will conclude my test.